All right, so today we're in Westchester at the Towns of Wetherington, another take on Fischer's newest, most high-end townhome design collection. We're going to be seeing that the model is called the Tustin today. It is part of their Midtown collection. Again, a new high-end collection of townhomes that are right around 2,200 square feet, but tons of flexibility, anywhere from 2 to 4 bedrooms. You've got 2 to 3 bathrooms, all within the same square footage. And we're gonna see that when we get inside, but what you're really gonna love is the location of these. It's got a real kind of urban feel with the suburban conveniences being in Westchester. And we're right across the street, which we'll visit, from Liberty Center, which is a phenomenal entertainment, food, shopping complex. And if you stick around till the end, we'll take you over there to take a look at some of the entertainment, food, and everything you can do over there. But great lifestyle, and you're only 25 minutes from Great American Ballpark, which is awesome as well. So let's go inside and take a look. All right, so let's check out the Tustin model. It's a little bit different than Overlook at Blossom Hill, which we saw in Loveland. I'll put a link to that up here. But you immediately have a landing pad when you come in on this level from the ground level in the front. This is currently set up as a family room, kind of rec room area. You could have it configured as an office with a door, or you could also have a bedroom. So that would lead to your 3rd or 4th bedroom, depending upon the configuration you have upstairs, which we'll get to later. Another difference from Overlook at Blossom Hill, which is pretty cool, is all the garages are rear entrance on these models. So just kind of a little bit different configuration. Let's go check out the main living area. All right, welcome to Entertainment Central. Love, love, love this room. First thing you'll notice, all the natural light, and that is, again, one of Fischer's trademark things they do so well, is get as much light as possible into a living space. And down on this end, we've got our kind of living room area where you've got your fireplace, television, and you've got your deck right off of here. In this case, we're using a composite deck. And again, with all these windows, I'm looking at Wetherington Country Club right over here. Got your pantry right here, very unassuming pantry. Massive, massive island. They've got this set up for 5 to eat at. And look at it's a wall of cabinetry. They've put as much cabinetry in here as possible into a smaller area. Got the gas range here. In this case, they've got a double oven and a microwave. The beautiful honeycomb tile there. And then kind of down in this defined dining room area, which I love. Again, Fischer working their magic, trying to get as much light into a space as possible. They've got these eye lights up here, in this case, they've got a server against there. You can put furniture against that wall and still not lose that light. And then on this end, on the front end of the townhome, you've got a wall of windows. And I don't want to hear any excuses. Planet Fitness is right across the street. But love, love this space. I would spend a lot of time here. Let's go check out the upstairs and the bedroom area. All right, so now we're getting into the living quarters. And I kind of have to explain this because this is where Fischer's creativity and design comes in. There's several configurations for this. Currently, we got 3 bedrooms up here. You've got a primary and 2 secondary bedrooms. What you can do is have a second primary encompassing this entire area, or you can have a loft here and 1 more smaller bedroom here. So a lot of configuration possibilities. So you got your 1 secondary bedroom here, another secondary bedroom here, and then you've got your guest bath here. Let's check out the primary. I think you're gonna like this. So, and I love the design elements they put in this to kind of lend to that urban feel. Here they've kind of got the copper light fixture. But again, look at all this natural light. You've got massive wall of windows, and then you've got a large closet here. And then you've got your primary bath here with a water closet. And I love how they incorporated a pocket door there, and then a huge master shower. So I hope you appreciate, as much as I do, the design element and the configurations that Fischer offers in this upper level, where you can have 2 massive primary suites or 3 bedrooms. So very, very cool design, and let's go check out the neighborhood. welcome to your neighborhood. Check this out. Is this beautiful? You've got everything here. You could spend the entire day here. There's so much retail, entertainment, restaurants, bars, you name it. And it's a Dora district, so you can walk from place to place with your cocktail. And right within eyesight, you've got Agave and Ride, Cooper's Hawk. You could skip dinner and go straight to the Cinna Bistro and have dinner there, have a movie, and then finish it up with a little Cincinnati favorite, Graders. But yeah, you've got Kona Grill here. It is all right here. And it's literally steps from your doorstep across the way at Towns of Wetherington. Hope you enjoyed that tour. It's not just kind of the urban, suburban vibe feel of the townhouse, it's the area and the lifestyle that goes with it. So if you'd like to see these townhomes, or any other home for that matter, feel free to drop a message below or reach out, give us a call, text us, smoke signal, you name it. We're happy to help any way we can.